I am here with another layout, and my background is going to be mango basil cardstock. And again, I'm sorry for the shadow, but hopefully this will be, the videos from here on forward will be better because I'm sitting where my desk was, actually, where I scrapbook. I just moved where my desktop was. Oh, there's Theo. He likes to sleep on TV. So that striped pattern is, let's see, is Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life, called X Factor. And I'm going to put these on. Oh, this is Theo and Sabrina. This is after we brought Sabrina home. Well, actually, nobody liked her when we first brought her home, so she kind of stuck with me. And she was a bit curious, so I kind of hovered over her as far as Coco's concerned, because Coco would growl if she would come near, not knowing, like, what are you, I guess, or you're new, get away from me. And so but the other cats did not like her, and I felt so bad for her, because here she is, a newbie, and she goes by them and they smack her. I'm like, poor baby. So anyway, eventually Theo took her under his wing, so to speak, and now they are inseparable. And so I have a ton of scraps, so as you can see, so I am going to use this opportunity to use as many different patterns layered underneath the photo as possible, as I can, and still make it look good. So I'm going to use that floral print. I had to cut it in half so I can fit it on the top and bottom. And this one's being such a pain. I fight with it for a minute. I'm just going to ink the edges of that, and I believe we call it done. And I still have several pattern or scraps. Oh, and then this is where my ATG ran out, so I replace it, but then my tape wants to run, the glue wants to run around my thing, and that beats the tape, so I had to fight with it. And I stop it. See, I stop it and I'm like, I finally stopped the camera so I can fix it off camera and get it right. See, I'm like, arr. So I just try to do over. So anyway, it's fixed now. So here we go. So this is where I use, these are the branding strips that was cut off of some of the pattern papers. So, because when I used the scraps, I cut the branding strips off. So I thought, hey, I can use these, and I'm going to angle them so they're not going to be straight. Oh my gosh, he is doing the fidget spinner in his room, and it is so stinking loud. Good night. Alright, So, and then I'm not going to match and have the same one on the bottom. I'm going to change it up because I wanted the longer one on the bottom. So that's why the pretty aqua or teal one had to go. When am I going to get dressed and going? I should already be outside. Be busy. Right, so chipboard stickers are making homes marigold. Or, yeah, marigold. I'm going to use some of the die cuts that are Paint for Studio Days of Splendor, as well as Jen Hatfield stickers called the Avenue. And I was going to try to use some of these wood veneer die cuts, but I don't. She's whiny. Let me let her out. Alright, she had to go potty, I guess. So, I'm going to use that circle because I originally was going to have that titled You and Me. But then I decided, no. I'll do it a different way. And so I put that gold frame, and I really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and commit to that. Hey, that is with me scrapbooking in that spot in my lamp. Ah, it's my lamp. Because I always scrapbook with that lamp, not my top light. Alrighty. I normally have it pointed up towards the ceiling, and I have it pointed facing me, so I need to switch it back to facing up. Which, so I don't forget, I'll do right now. There. You got the other spot. Okay. And this is where I decide, I'm going to use the big gold flowers, because chances are I won't use them again. And I was hesitant to use them with these colored ones, because at first I was like, ugh. But actually, coming back and seeing it to take these pictures, 2 days later, I was like, huh, I really like it. So I'm going to have to see my video with the lamp pointed up and see what that does. And I used not only the gold flower, but a Furry sticker too. That's Christmas present for Mateo. Christmas present number 2. And then I'm going to use these chipboard flyers that are Pink Fur Studios Days of Splendor. And of course the gold stickers were American Craft Lovely stickers. I don't know if I said that. And now I'm going to try to find what to use for my title. I end up using the some stickers from past kits that I accumulated in the drawer beside me, and Furry is Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabets, and Friends are from my stash. And then I'm going to use the enamel dots, also from my stash. They are not the Let's Stay Home ones. When I was going for the Pink Fresh Studios Let's Stay Home, I found these instead. So I used them instead of keep looking for the others. I'm like enamel dots and they match this line. So I'm going to do my title. Hello, Miss Cardinal, Mr. Cardinal. I'm not sure which. I need to trim the palm leaves again because they're growing to where I can't see my bird feeder very much. Anyway, so I thought about those. Those came in the kit. And those 2. And then I was like, I didn't want to do gold as my title because I figured that would be just too much. I really wanted those brown with the white letters, but I don't have any E's. I think it was these. So I had to figure out where I wanted it, because I originally thought over there, and I thought, maybe over here. Then I was like, it looks so busy over there. And then I'm like, it looks by itself there. Looks out of place there. But I ended up putting it back over with the embellishments cluster, because it looks better with the cluster than it does over there by itself. So. And so once I get my title down, I'm going to put down the enamel dots, and then that's going to complete my layout. So, when I have more done, and I don't have any more done, I will be back. I'll just go ahead and let you finish watching the layout, and yeah, bye.